All right, somebody's going to have to try to explain this next story to me like I'm a 5-year-old because it makes zero sense to me. A federal judge named Patricia Tolliver Giles has made a ruling in Virginia that essentially allows illegal aliens to vote. And I'm not getting it. Here, first, let's watch on Fox News.
From the Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares, who says this, quote, "It should never be illegal to remove an illegal voter. Yet today, a court urged by the Biden-Harris Department of Justice ordered Virginia to put the names of non-citizens back on the voter rolls mere days before a presidential election. The Department of Justice pulled this shameful, politically motivated stunt 25 days before Election Day, challenging a Virginia process signed into law 18 years ago by a Democrat governor and approved by the Department of Justice in 2006. He ends it. In the meantime, I encourage every Virginian to exercise their right to vote. Rest assured, I will never stop fighting to preserve the integrity of our election process." So, dating all the way back to August 7th, when Governor Youngkin issued that executive order, this judge, Patricia Giles, now has weighed in, and these 1,600 individuals have been reinstated to the voter rolls. Likely, we will see Virginia try to appeal, but unclear that we would see any ruling on that because we are just 11 days away. We'll bring you more reaction as we get it, Bill.
Well, I am at a loss for words, so I'm going to turn to the news itself. This is by the Post Millennial, posted over at conservativeplaylist.com. Federal judge sides with Biden-Harris DOJ, requires Virginia to allow non-citizens to vote in presidential election. The Biden-Harris DOJ's suit against Virginia over the removal of non-citizens and other ineligible voters ahead of Election Day has resulted in courts forcing the state to put those names back on the voter rolls. Federal judges required the state to stop its lawful removal of non-citizen voters and to restore names that had been removed. Let's be clear, and this is from Governor Glenn Youngkin. Let's be clear about what just happened. Only 11 days before a presidential election, a federal judge ordered Virginia to reinstate over 1,500 individuals who self-identified themselves as non-citizens back onto the voter rolls. Almost all of these individuals had previously presented immigration documents confirming their non-citizen status, a fact recently verified by federal authorities. In other words, they're not supposed to be able to vote. They can't vote. And yet, in Virginia, apparently they can, thanks to this woke judge. Governor Youngkin has previously said that only those who have self-identified as non-citizens are removed from voter rolls. I mean, we're not even talking about like anything questionable here. Oh, well, maybe they're wrongly identified and we can't disenfranchise voters. No, these are self-identified people who have said, I am not eligible to vote in the United States of America. And yet, this judge is going to put them back on the voter rolls after they'd already been removed 11 days before the election. Don't tell me that they're not trying to steal this election. Don't even try to tell me that, because it's crystal clear. They are trying to steal it. And unfortunately, God forbid, they might succeed. Thank you for watching this clip. You can see the entire shows by subscribing to my Rumble channel over at jdrucker.com/rumble. That's jdrucker.com/rumble.